I was just gifted the DadMode cleaning starter set, so let's see if this is mom approved. The smell is very manly. I'm really liking it as well. It's sandalwood and suede scent, and I can smell it just emanating from the box. And then you get 4 different cleaners. These come in metal canisters. That is so nice to me, and I love that these are refillable and that DadMode provides the refills in little pouches. And so each one has come fully sealed. Let me set these all up real quick. And here's what you get. The first one is the Every Surface Cleaner, and then you have the Deep Stain Remover, and then you get an Instant Spot Cleaner, and then you get the Liquid Laundry Detergent. It is time to put these all to the test. I have a sick cat and 2 sick kids, so I have definitely put these to the test over the last few days, and I gotta tell you, they are amazing. I started out with the stain remover. This is for spraying on stains before you throw the clothing in the laundry. I did it on some really bad stains on our bedding, thanks to a sick cat, and it took it out no problem at all. There are no stains left. It took everything out. This is so nice. And I followed it up with the laundry detergent. I used this on our bedding. It worked wonderfully. Everything was clean. The sandalwood and suede smell that these all have is pungent, but it is also really lovely and inviting, and it does fade pretty quickly as well. I was a little worried when we made the bed that it was going to be too strong in the room, but the reality is it just made the room smell nicer and more inviting, and I very quickly stopped noticing the smell at all. Really impressive. Then I started using the all-purpose cleaner. Now I have been spraying everything down with this, from sinks to walls to the floor. I'm only going after hard surfaces. I know I could clean toys and things like that too, but my kids are tweens now, so I don't have as many toys I need to clean as much as surfaces, light switches, things like that. Now, this works exactly how you want it to. It's not leaving any smudges. It's just cleaning and leaving that nice fresh smell. And then finally, I tested the Instant Spot Cleaner, and wow, this is impressive. This is the only one that I did not have a stain or something dirty that I could already use it on. So I poured a bunch of Campari onto a white towel and sprayed it with this, and it was almost instant. I had to spray it a couple times, but each spray, everything just went away. It is like magic. It truly takes it out. I cannot tell you how impressed I am with these. I know this is the DadMode cleaning series. It's not specifically for moms like me, but I totally get it. I get why anyone would love these cleaners, and the metal containers are the icing on the cake. I definitely recommend the DadMode Starter Set. I think you should get this whole set to start and then get the refills for whatever you love the most. Maybe you won't use them all, maybe you will, but you are going to love these. They are powerful multi-enzyme cleaners that are good for your home, good for your family, and are going to make you look really good.